Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this 2025 Chevy Malibu. It's going to apply from 2016 all the way to 2025. Let's get to it. All right, so what you're going to do, of course, is open up the glove box. All right, and then you have a dampener over here. So this is this little arm. So what you're going to do is you're going to lift it up and then pull it out. So we'll lift it up. You hear a click. Pull it out. Then we'll squeeze this side and this side in to drop the box. Make sure you empty all your stuff in there. So at this point, we have the cabin air filter right here. So there's going to be a clip here and a clip here, so we'll pinch them in. Okay, and then we'll pull outward, right? And so the filter is in here, so as you can see, the airflow is pointing towards heading towards down. So we'll go ahead and pull it out. So the freaking whatever you call it, the door that blocks this is attached to whatever the body of the climate control mechanism is, and then we'll pull it out. All right, so it's out. Like I said, airflow is down. And then we'll put it back in. And then we'll fold it back until it clicks. And then we'll put the glove box back in. All right, remember you have these guys sticking in, or sticking out. Okay, it's in place. Then we'll go ahead and put the dampener in. So remember, it goes in this way. And then you push it down. That's it, we're done. Today we just showed you how to replace the cabin air filter on this 2025 Chevy Malibu. Again, this applies from 2016 all the way to 2025. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.